Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put border to fast page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to put border to the fast page. Firstly, create some page. Click the pages section option and click right button on our mouse and click insert page. Then again click insert page. Now we want to put border to fast page. Firstly, zoom out the page. Click the zoom option and zoom out it. Then go to the home menu and click draw text box. Then draw a text box over the page. Then go to the shape format menu. Then click shape outline option. You can choose any color. Now I select the orange color. Then again go back this option and increase the white. Now we can see we put border only fast page very easily. Here another page not available the border. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.